Hello. The bandsaw, yeah. I want to play with that toy. Whoa is Chancho. And then we're gonna put a chimney liner down through the chimney. Like a creeper.
Best case scenario. Yeah.
What does that mean? This is pretty cool. Top of the morning to you. Today we got a couple things going on. First thing is our truck is going in for a repair. The muffler is finally getting fixed. Feels like forever, and today it's getting fixed. So we're dropping that off at 7:30. And then we're gonna go get breakfast while we wait on that. Should be done by about 9. After that, putting in a new chimney liner for sweet old lady, and her water heater wasn't drafting right, so we're gonna put that in, move the water heater, hook it back up, and that'll probably be about a day. I don't know, we might get some more done. We're gonna be doing a bunch of work there at her place, so I don't know, we'll see what we can get done. But alrighty. Snowy this morning. Icy too. Snowy this morning. Yummy. Yummy. What's up?
Not much.
Need a handshake.
Okay. For the morning?
Yeah, you got something on your face there. Yeah, we need a handshake. The Frosty special.
I woke up this morning pretty sad to see the dusting.
Snow. The Grinch.
It's the closet Grinch, right?
I actually did too. Because we're supposed to be on a roof today.
Oh, see.
Hopefully it clears off.
It's all bad always. There's no good.
Well, we're gonna have to stop and get an adapter. Crazy sauce. Well, hopefully that power steering pump holds up for a little while.
Yeah.
Guess I should probably get that fixed, huh?
Sorry.
I always break this stuff.
Well, that wasn't my fault. Your truck's kind of old.
You're kind of old.
Yeah, I know.
All right, 7 o'clock. We're out of here. We gotta stop at drop this truck off at 7:30. So get it there. Got to take all the pipe off the top so he can actually get it on his lift. Here we go. Definitely not gonna miss how loud this truck is, my word. I can put earplugs in right now. And it smells like exhaust in the cab. It's not a nice thing. I don't enjoy it. Looking forward to having it fixed. Hey, what's up?
So funny story. You were a few, vehicles ahead of me, and there was a truck that had a toolbox on the back of it, kind of like yours, behind us, that turned into somewhere kind of high in front of me. So I followed a random truck. And I was like, oh, that ain't Isaac. So.
Okay. Well, I'll leave the lights on. You can look for me. It's gonna be on the left side.
Okay.
Oh man, what a goob. What a goob. We forgot to strap all of this.
Oh, yeah, cool.
But it's whatever. Doesn't really matter.
Yeah, it's not like that, so it would be bad.
Yeah, I mean, Pipe shooting off the front. What's the big deal?
Nobody cares.
Oh, look at that. That pipe's faster than me. Merry Christmas. All right, let's go stop at Wolf Brothers.
Okay, can you open
See that?
What is it?
It's pretty sweet, isn't it?
Is it a flashlight?
It's a Milwaukee flashlight.
It's a Milwaukee light, huh?
It's bright.
Is it free
No, I bought it.
with the purchase?
Of it, yes. And everything else I bought.
I wonder what they were thinking. I like drove past them in the driveway and turned around and then drove past them again. I thought about rolling down the window and apologizing, but I was like, oh well.
So, what are you gonna say? Sorry, I followed you like a creeper.
I don't know. That's what I'm saying. Like, what do you say in that moment? That's it, right?
Yep.
Nothing else?
That's it.
Okay.
Something's open.
Where we're going?
My door.
This is Jay's.
Let's go to Hard Hat.
Hard hat.
Hard Hat.
You like the heated seat? I like got in here and it was on.
I mean, I like it until it's warm.
I hate them.
Even if you get in and it's freezing cold.
I'd rather sit on a freezing cold seat. He said, I just get real swampy. In the summer, it's not a good idea for me to wear khaki shorts sometimes. You literally see the puddle on the back of my butt.
Oh, okay. Not sure what to do with such information. Back in the corner, is there anybody? Oh, no way. No way.
What? Look at that guy.
What a goob. Genesis 1:26. And God said, let us make mankind in our image, in our likeness, so that they may rule over the fish in the sea, and the birds in the air, over the livestock, over all the wild animals, and all of the creatures that move along the ground. We are made in God's image, which is pretty freaking cool. Is it not?
Yes, it is.
I think so too. Obviously, physically, we're made in God's image. Never gonna be exactly like God because God is God, but like also, we can feel emotions. We can be close with God. Like all this stuff that like I feel like we're made in God's image, not just physically, but also like mentally, just in everything, pretty much. Like, which is pretty cool.
Now what's really cool about that is that means that we all have eternal value.
Yeah.
Just simply in that, because we're made in His image. And a reminder that even if you feel like nothing, you are worth enough that God made you in His image.
Yeah.
You have to remind yourself of that.
Well, that's why I brought it up. I personally am guilty of like when I do something stupid, tearing myself up. It's like I would never talk to anybody else like that.
That's true.
But and yet I'm okay with telling God that He didn't do good enough making myself, you know? That's why I pulled that verse, because I'm guilty of that. And something that I've noticed we both kind of maybe have some struggles with.
Yeah.
I don't know, let's build each other up and build ourselves up when we screw up. Speaking to myself there.
That's a good reminder.
That's pretty cool to think like all the things that God created and yet we're the best.
We're the best.
He said it, like
No,
we're made in His image, like
He didn't choose anything else to be made in His image.
it's pretty cool.
It can be humbling too, but it's also like why choose us, but He did. That's kind of cool.
You want me to?
Yeah, go for it.
Lord, I thank you for this day that we can have some breakfast and talk a little and be reminded of the value that you put on us. And I pray all these things in your son's name. Amen. I used to mow a house back behind. They had a pet fox.
What does the fox say?
I don't know. It's kind of like that.
How is that?
Something similar.
That's what the fox says?
Yep.
Okay. Good to know.
What does the fox say?
It sounded kind of like that. You like that?
Yeah, that was nice.
Is that a GoPro highlight?
Why don't we go to the job?
Number
8:44. Head back and hope the truck's done. Slick or what?
Was it? That was weird.
Are we sliding? I think we were.
Something wasn't right.
You know what they say?
What do they say?
Bridge may ice before road.
Speak English. Like, I don't know what your words.
Bridge may ice before road.
Bridge me. Bridge?
Bridge may ice before road.
Bridge may ice before road?
Yeah,
That doesn't make any sense.
makes perfect sense. The bridge gets icy before the road. Never seen those signs?
No. I can honestly say I haven't.
Dude, I don't know how we're gonna get on that roof today.
I'm sure it's melted by now.
I'm not. What's the temperature?
Got any rope?
32.
Tie you up, harness style, and then I can be on the ground on the opposite side.
You say that like it's crazy and funny, but I've done that
Because it is crazy and funny.
with an extension cord.
Oh my gosh. That's ridiculous. You know it's crazy and funny. You have to admit. Because if you fall, we're weighing enough that you're going to probably lift me off the ground.
I mean, I feel like that would be best case scenario. I lift you up, you smash the gutter, and then you fall down, and I'm at least down towards the bottom of the roof when I fall.
Best case scenario. Yeah.
Worst case scenario, you just let go, and I just go shoo.
I like that idea.
That way we both get injured and it can't work.
Okay.
I've heard of guys like parking their van on the other side and tying off to the van. Just gotta make sure you take your keys with you. Somebody jumps in the van and goes for a ride and you're tied to it.
Oh my gosh.
Whoops.
Rips him off the roof. Drags him. Hey Joel, I need you to go pick up this thing.
Then you jump in.
Just take off. Like, it happens so easy. So you
Or just take the keys up
You
with
had someone hold an extension cord that you were tied to on the other side
I've done it multiple times.
with an extension cord.
That's what we had.
Sounds like we're doing that today.
I don't know that we have any cords long enough.
Probably not. We have two shorter ones. If we plug them together, right, that's gonna work.
Just plug them together. Yeah, that'll hold.
Just plug them together, right?
Took your pen. That's what I'm talking about.
We're gonna unlock the toolboxes.
Yeah. Ready to rumble? Man, it is cold this morning. Our Right, 9/11. Finally headed to the job. It's not looking good for getting on the roof today. Look at all these houses that still have snow on the roof. Oh well. Do what we gotta do. I think that's manageable. What do you think? Think we can get up there?
Not a lot, really.
We'll get it. I'll risk it all. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How
Good.
are you doing?
Doing well. Today we're gonna get your hot water heater back up and running.
Okay.
So I bet you're looking forward to that. Watch out for the poop. Oh, some of these turds. Alright, so basically what we're doing here, we installed this water heater a few weeks ago and got it all in, all hooked up. It wasn't drafting properly. So dug into it, and this is like a really long run, so that's not great to begin with for the flue here. It's like really long to go horizontally, and I wasn't a fan of that. And also dug into a little more. We found there's a big old crack in it right there, and there's no liner in the chimney. So typically there should be a pipe inside the chimney run down to hook up to. It's not drafting, which means that it's not sucking the air up through properly, so it's actually coming out into the room, which is really bad because that's carbon monoxide, and you know, carbon monoxide is like the silent killer. Running the risk of dying. And we're gonna put a chimney liner down through the chimney, fix this drafting issue, get her some hot water back. We'll also be back here at some point because all these old galvanized pipes are really affecting her water pressure. So we're gonna replace all those and possibly do some more work upstairs. I'm not sure what else she wants us to do. And also this valve is like really bad. It needs to be replaced. So we'll be doing that probably at a later date, but this is the soonest we could fit in this water heater, so we're gonna go ahead and get it taken care of for. Get some hot water for her. What do you say? Let's do it.
Turn on the poop.
No, not yet.
Oh,
say
well,
that yet.
I'm sorry. You said, what do you say? That's what I normally say. The size of this worm is massive.
You're massive. That's a big worm. This water heater drained. Some nice squeakage to it. Alright, first things first, we're gonna rip out this vent. Here, I'll let you do this.
Okay.
Basically just rip out this vent all the way back to the chimney. Gets ripped out.
Cool.
The bandsaw, yeah!
That good?
It looks awesome. I think it's a great idea. Holy cow!
Want some ear protection?
That is incredibly
I
loud.
might want some.
Wow.
That was a lot louder than I was expecting.
Holy smokes. You just put those in your pocket every day?
Yeah. Until I think they're gross enough, and then I throw them away.
At what point are they gross? When they start to crack?
When I have to rip earwax off of them every time I want to put them in my ear. That's about the time.
Disgusting. Oh, now we're all gonna talk super loud. What? What was that?
Huh?
What'd you say, Joel? Huh? That is sharp. Dude, that cuts so nice.
It does, don't it?
That's incredible.
I love it.
It's a
Is it
drill.
okay to be in love with the power tool?
Drill. It's very okay.
Like where it's broken, do I just cut it off back there?
Yeah, that piece actually needs to come out of the chimney.
No. Thought maybe.
Yeah. That's empty enough. For what it's worth, I think we're gonna put the new water heater right here.
Okay. I think that's structural.
I mean, hillbilly, yes.
I don't like it.
Hillbilly structure.
Some good metal for my dad there, you know. Some prime scrap. He'll be happy.
It's pretty gnarly. Let's see what we look like in here. Pretty good. Sweet. Alright, now we gotta go on the roof and feed that down. Yeah, we should be able to get that. Oh, that is straight ice. Yeah, that's pretty icy. We're gonna need to get something up and around that. Or we set the ladder up and go straight to the peak and then just shimmy across. I picked the most beautiful day for this. I figured if I go straight to the peak and just shimmy across, that's probably the best option. What would have been easier is if we came when it's not snowing. Well, I can work with this. Absolutely.
My last boss said a similar thing. When he would go up a ladder and I was holding it, he'd go, "If I fall, you gotta catch me." And I said, "No, I'm letting you drop. There's no reason for both of us to be hurt." But he was like, he's like, "Nah, see, if you catch me, I'll be fine." But you'll be hurt.
I'd like to tie a rope. We don't have a rope, but maybe an extension cord around this.
Really? So you're gonna go up, drop that down. I'm gonna have to reach into that tiny hole and grab that and then pull it.
Alright, so we're up on the roof. And there's some ice up here for sure. Just shimmied across the peak here. We'll be alright. We'll get it.
You're putting a jumper cable?
Yeah, the clip. Just to weigh it down. Yep. You see it?
Yeah. I got a hold of it now.
Sweet. All right. Hello.
What?
This is pretty cool. How's it looking down there?
I believe it's good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You believe it to be good?
The shiny part on the end is out of the pipe. Like we could get a fitting on it.
Yeah.
That's
Good.
all we need, right?
Yep. You got the sleeve in around it?
Yep.
Sweet.
That took a little work, but I got it.
I got a little bust out of the chimney here. I don't know how I'm gonna fix that. Oh, what could I fix that with? So I could just cut the whole thing off lower.
I'd like to see the fat man try to fit down that chimney. Isaac, give it a try.
It's hilarious.
Wanna guess what I used to shape this?
I already know. The bandsaw!
Yeah!
The bandsaw, yeah! Love it. The bandsaw, yeah! The thing you gotta remember, or I gotta remember, is that this thing is wide open currently. So like, anything I do is gonna be better than that. Stick it on there, call it good. Do your best and caulk the rest, as they say. Not really. I don't actually believe that. Look. So you look around, there's a chimney liner, there's a chimney. No chimney liner, no chimney liner, no chimney liner. Chimney liner over there. Chimney liner there. Chimney liner there. Chimney liner there. Over there. So some of them have them, some of them don't, but they all should have them. They didn't used to do it that way though. So check your chimney liner. Yeah. Check your local chimney liner. Yeah. What? Huh? What? You need something? Does it sound like I need something? Yeah, kinda does. For sure. Medical attention? Yeah.
Brain doctor.
Brain doctor. I mean, it couldn't hurt. Might be too far gone at this point though. That's a sweet tool. M12 for the ages. The bandsaw, yeah. He's talking about the bandsaw down there. Cutting shoe molding with it the other day. Oh, he loved that. I don't know if you can hear him or not, but kind of doubt it. Or if you even want to hear him. I wouldn't want to hear him. Get some caulking up under here. Call it a day. Hey, I goofed up. I'm gonna need a caulking tip. I just cut it off. And I didn't do any of the fine stuff yet. How about you throw it?
Was that sarcastic?
Yeah, kinda.
Oh, okay.
But I mean, if you want to throw it, we can try it. You got one shot at it.
We do.
Yeah!
Bandsaw.
The bandsaw! Yeah!
Anything else? I mean, I don't have any. Pick that up.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Oh! Almost hit him. All right. Couple little cockies. And we're done. Did he tell you about Eric that week? He like fell through the steps. A rough framed house. You know, there's steps to the basement. He was like going down the stairs and the whole stairs fell down. And he like fell right on the stairs on his back.
Is he okay?
He was. But like, dude,
That's nuts.
that's crazy. The whole staircase fell.
Oh, he fell with the steps.
Yeah.
The steps didn't like break other than where like
They just came loose at the top.
okay.
It's like, dude, we could have had a lawsuit there or something.
Yeah, that was bad.
That's good that he didn't get hurt, but that was wild, dude. There it is. As beautiful as it may be. Bottom line is it's done. And it's done right. Wow, this was really a good idea here.
Why am I doing this?
Darn. So was that.
Can't all be winners. That's awesome.
Oh man. Yeah, you're right. We can't all be winners. Yeah, that's a nice shot there. All right, let's start on the gas, I guess. You wanna go shut the gas off?
Yeah.
So we got these two gas lines and they obviously added the range. So they obviously added that and just teed off the bottom of the water heater, which is kind of janky. So what we're gonna do is we're going to cut back here, tie these two together, back here,
Okay.
and then we'll come across, jump up in here and run across to catch the water heater in the new location. The bandsaw, yeah! Love that thing. Give me that toy, I want to play. I want to play with that toy. Joel's working on the gas line. Looks like he knows what he's doing. Setting the new water heater. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
There's nothing more beautiful than you.
Nothing more beautifuler than you.
Real tight on it.
I mean, good and tight. You don't have to like kill it.
Okay.
You feel like it's tight?
Yeah. Maybe not. I don't know.
Huh.
I'd probably give it a turn or two.
I'll show you.
Probably give it a turn or two.
Oh man, who tightened this?
You're being ridiculous.
That's not real tight.
Well, that's...
But I think it's good enough for this old stuff. Cause like, you'll probably
A
just
turn
bottom.
or two. You just gave it a turn.
You'll just bottom it out.
Okay.
Best if you stop before that if you're gonna bottom it out.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm gonna need the crinkle wrinkle. Crinkle wrinkle. Need anything? Too bad.
I don't think so.
Okay. Saucy. Tin sneeps. Tin sneeps. Put them back? How dare you? You know, once we start the job, you're not allowed to put tools back until the job's over.
Okay.
Clutter is a good thing. It helps.
I didn't know you'd be using it again, to be honest.
Well, it helps, like, it helps your brain process where everything is. If it's all scattered everywhere, it's good. It's a brain exercise, really.
Okay.
Yeah.
Never heard that before, but
How dare you? You know better. Whoa. Whoa.
okay.
Usually what I do, like if it's Jopper wad or whatever,
Yeah.
whatever you want to call it,
Jopper wad. I like it.
I'll put it together like hand tight, and then I'll move it around and keep tightening it by hand,
Okay.
and it'll kind of like settle straight,
Okay.
and then you just wrench it.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah. There we go.
Now you can pull it out
Pull it out
and work on it.
and get it right. Okay. My wife's pregnant. Is that enough?
Immaculate conception.
Oh my. That's. She's not giving birth to Jesus.
Wow.
That was bad timing for you to walk up.
Hey, how's that Gatorade?
It got a little warm, so I dumped it out. As we all know.
You are usually right, as they say. We can't all be sausages like you. Whoa.
Did I almost get you then?
Yes. What's the difference between magnesium and aluminum? Well, I don't know the difference.
I thought they had a different scent to them.
It smelled like aluminum. You smell like aluminum. You smell worse than aluminum.
It smells like aluminum.
Sorry to disappoint you.
That's okay, I'm used to being disappointed.
Am I supposed to feel bad for you or something? Okay, good. Disappointment, disappointment. Eat your breakfast. Eat your breakfast. Guess you'll have to talk to HR. We can see you're clearly frustrated, Mr. We recommend you take a moment or several years, decades to evaluate the situation. Think of how you could have acted differently. Are you good over there, Giggly Wiggly?
Giggly wiggly?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay. Giggly Wiggly, Giggly Wiggly, where are you? Where are you? Do you want a muffin? Do you want a muffin? It's for me. It's for me. It's like you think I'm making it up, but after the monkey and the toucan, like, who knows?
I don't know what to believe after the monkey and the toucan.
The monkey and the toucan are life-changing. You just wait.
What?
You just wait. Not sure it matters. You're getting it. I'll make sure Patience knows how much it's really helped in Charlie's development. So that she knows that she has to have one.
You're going to lie.
It's actually been really good for her.
Whatever.
I think it helps her grow, actually.
Oh, like broccoli.
Yeah.
It's musical broccoli.
It's baby broccoli.
It's baby broccoli.
Joe, it could be really good. I think I could convince her. I mean, I did convince her to rub my feet, so like... Dude, I set out that night, I told Ellie, I'm gonna make this as awkward as possible for everyone involved. Mission accomplished.
Yeah, she like still talks about it.
Pretty memorable, huh?
Yeah, she goes, Isaac is so weird, and then she'll like share that story. Like that's just out of nowhere. She'll still say that. She's like, Isaac is weird.
Love it.
And that is exactly why she says you're weird. It's every time. It's not another example. It's always that.
It's great.
She goes, he made me rub his feet. No, he didn't. He just stuck them out there, and you chose to.
It's hilarious.
What we would be interested in is you helping complete the plumbing job, and obviously we're willing to, we don't want it done for free. We're interested in paying for it. Ranch house, the single.
But yeah, I'd be happy to take a look at it and, at least work up an estimate for you and see where we come. Well, they don't want it done for free. Well, it's good because we don't work for free.
It's interesting that he even said it. Like, yeah. Okay.
Good to know. Good to know you're gonna pay me.
It is good to know, isn't it?
Yeah. So this is all temporary. We're gonna be coming back a couple weeks to replace all of these galvanized water lines. So it's not gonna look like this when we're done. Looks kind of janky now. These water lines just running out through the middle of nowhere like that. But it won't. Not when we're finished. Hey. You want to put that 90 on first? Yeah, it would be kind of nice to have it on there. Oh boy. Yes, we're hand threading. It sucks. I really should buy some mega press jaws and some fittings. Yes, they make power threaders. No, they aren't free. They're expensive, actually. I don't know, we really don't run that much gasoline, so like that's just been hard for me to bite the bullet of one of those. But I'm about to invest in some mega press jaws. Any of you who don't know what that is, it's like instead of threading and screwing on, it's cutting and the fitting slips over and you just crimp it down on. It's super sweet. Never actually used one, but I'm sure it's sweet. What's new? Got it?
Yep.
Why didn't you put the screws, dang it?
I was using them over there. Are they on the top of the, near the heater?
No. Oh. I just set them on the furnace. That's a good place for them. We were working on that anyways.
You set stuff in weird places too.
Who, me? Come on.
Like, I don't feel that. I can't even get. That's just gonna be there, I guess.
You should feel terrible is how you should feel.
Terrible.
Yeah. Terrible.
I kind of do all the time.
Yeah.
I'm trying to do better at that.
There he goes. There he goes again.
I said I'm trying to do better at that.
I'm the worst boy. I can't be the best boy because I'm the worst boy.
Woe is Chancho.
Whoa, it's Chancho. I like it.
Miss Piggy and the Red Bits. What does that mean? Hey, you mind giving me a hand? Cool. Do it anyways. Never mind. Guess I'll do it myself. Oh, hey, thanks. Appreciate the help.
Say, come here.
I know you helped a lot, but I can get it from here. Thanks. Yeah, let me put this quote together for you. How can I reach you? I guess just...
Sometime. Do you want me to
Do you
give
have a
you a
home
call?
phone? Do you have a home phone? No?
Do you want me to call you?
Yeah, why don't
And
you?
like
Call me next week sometime.
next week sometime.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you decide to go ahead with the shower and stuff in the bathroom, is it all right if we still do the water lines downstairs first?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Okay.
I just figured you'll get to me when you get to me.
Well, we'll take care of you. Yeah, I appreciate your business and
All right.
thanks, Georgie.
Okay. You guys have a good evening.
You too.
Don't forget to call back. Call your wife.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Not me, her.
Thanks for the reminder. See ya.